elections looming, Union Home Minister Amit Shah was in Tamil Nadu firing fresh political salvos at the ruling DMK and also setting the stage for what promises to be a heated 2026 poll battle.
भारत माता की वंदे मातरम, भारत माता की जय.
With the Tamil Nadu polls fast approaching, Union Home Minister Amit Shah is in Tamil Nadu for the second time since April. In a fiery speech, Amit Shah vowed NDA victory in Tamil Nadu in 2026. Shah said the people of Tamil Nadu have had enough of DMK's corruption and are set to uproot DMK from power.
मित्रों, एक तमिलनाडु की डीएमके सरकार ने भ्रष्टाचार की सारी हदें पार कर दी है. 40,000 करोड़ रुपया टास्मैक के माध्यम से ये तमिलनाडु सरकार चाउ कर गई है. ये डीएमके पार्टी की तिजोरी में पैसा जाता है. स्टालिन साहब, आप सही कहते हो, मैं डीएमके को नहीं हरा सकता, मगर तमिलनाडु की जनता डीएमके को हरा सकती है.
Shah blamed the Tamil Nadu government for growing communal tensions and spurious liquor debts. Shah also attacked the Stalin government for what he called a complete failure to deliver on key poll promises.
अब चुनाव में जा रहे हैं, अब तक इनके घोषणा पत्र के 60% वादे पूरे नहीं हुए हैं.
The DMK, meanwhile, has dismissed Shah's remarks as a standard political playbook in every state. The Stalin-led party has accused the BJP of doing little for the people of Tamil Nadu and asserted that strong pro-incumbency sentiment would work in the DMK's favor.
When they have not done anything for the state of Tamil Nadu, when they have betrayed the interests of the people of Tamil Nadu, how can they hope to come here? Especially with regard to the ADMK party, which is again clueless and rudderless.
Amidst the political fervour, Amit Shah couldn't help but crack a smile as the crowd erupted enthusiastically for former Tamil Nadu BJP President K. Annamalai, who clearly remains a crowd favourite.
हमारे पूर्व अध्यक्ष के अन्नामलाई जी,
Earlier in the day, Home Minister Shah also offered prayers at the revered Meenakshi temple in Madurai, where he was warmly received by the Madurai Adhinam pontiff, blending politics with cultural outreach. Tamil Nadu BJP chief Nagendran claimed that Home Minister Amit Shah would carry out a silent operation to bring down the MK Stalin-led government in the 2026 assembly polls.
மதுரைக்கு வந்து மீனாட்சி அம்மனை தரிசனம் விட்டு அந்த செந்தூர் எடுத்துக்கொண்டு இப்பொழுது தமிழகத்தில் சைலண்ட் ஆபரேஷன் செய்ய போறார்கள் டு கில் டிஎம்கே ரூலிங். அமித் ஷா அவர்கள் சைலண்ட் ஆபரேஷன் செய்ய போகிறார்.
Amit Shah's visit signals the BJP's growing focus on Tamil Nadu. And with just over a year to go for the next big battle, the political temperature in the state is already on the boil. Bureau Report, India Today.